welcome to my channel. My name's Amanda and I love crafting, shopping, decor and makeovers. So I have been really busy decorating for autumn, and I shared with you last week the haul, and all the other rooms are progressing nicely. I have been posting little shorts and reels on YouTube and Instagram, so I hope you've been enjoying those. I've got another couple to put on because although I think I've finished, I keep finding really cute things for autumn in the shops. So I've got a few more things to reveal. And then while I was in the shops this week, I don't know why I'd be surprised, but Christmas is there. So I had a little look round at the Christmas things and got inspired, and I've done a little Christmas craft, an early Christmas craft for you today. So hopefully this gets you in the mood. So have a little look round the range. That's the shop where I went round. Then I'll show you what inspired me and how you could make your own version of it. They had loads of cute signs in the range, but this one really appealed to me. I do love a heart, and I have got a few spare hearts, so I thought perfect idea that I could do. So here's one of my wooden hearts, and I've got my trusty Christmas papers that I bought from the works, possibly last year, I think. And so what I'm going to do is use one of these papers as a background. I'm going to put my heart on, try and get that top piece with the candy cane and the pine cones, and I'm just going to draw around it with a pencil, and then I will cut it out and stick it on. The brilliance of these hearts as well is obviously I can do a double-sided idea. So although I'm going to take the It's the Most Wonderful Time of the Year on one side, I'm going to do another side. I've picked another pattern page for the other side, so I thought I'd go with snowflake kind of idea, because then this side could be winter. So the one side I can use for Christmas, and then I can turn this side round and use it for winter. I have actually made signs before using this method, so I think it's a great idea. It just makes your sign last a little bit longer. So there you go, I've cut it out. Now it's got a hole in the middle, so I thought, well, what I'm going to do is put the jute in the middle, and then I'm going to cover it over. So rather having the hole on show, I'm going to stick both sides on, and then you won't actually be able to see the hole. I'm going to attach some jute so it can be hung up, and I'm going to tie that and then turn it round so the tied bit won't be seen. I'm going to tuck it inside the hole, and then I'm going to secure that with some sellotape so it won't move, and then I'm going to glue the shapes that I've cut out over the top so you can't actually see the hole. I just think that'll look a little bit nicer. And then I'm going to glue it with some Pritt stick, because it's just paper and wood, but I thought I might just secure it a little bit with a bit of stronger multi-purpose glue, just to make sure all the ends are stuck down. Now for the fun bit, I'm going to get all my letters and stick them on, see if hopefully I've got all the right letters. What I can do is use different colours just to make it look interesting, and also make sure I've got the right letters. So it's the most wonderful time of the year. And then I have actually got a little robin, and I've also got some holly, so I'm going to stick those in the gaps, but you could use whatever you've got, whatever little Christmassy bits and pieces you can get. You get lots of things from the works, the range, all sorts of places, maybe even stickers, or you could draw something yourself. So on the back I'm going to go with the Stay Cozy, because that's a nice easy one for winter. And then I picked up these lovely snowflakes the other day from the works for £1. There's 50 in there for £1, which I thought was a great bargain. And then I now have a beautiful double-sided sign that can go up for Christmas and can stay up into the winter. So I hope you enjoyed that little crafty make there. Nice and simple to do. Just got to get a few craft supplies from the works. Not that expensive. If you already are a crafter, you've probably got loads of bits and pieces anyway. But just so it's a lovely little idea. And I might actually make another one as a little present. As always, thank you ever so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Please like and subscribe. Maybe check out some other craft videos of mine, or if you're interested in dollhouse, decor, or shopping, I have some playlists, so please check them out and make sure you watch what you enjoy. And as I say, please follow me over on Instagram and keep watching my shorts as they appear. And I will see you next week for another video. So until then, take care. Bye-bye.